Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will show you a simple trick how you can convert your images and photos in JPEG format into PNG files really quickly, free of charge, online, and all of that without installing any software on your device. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to a website called so.pdf.com, and here on their homepage, click on Online Tools. Now, so.pdf.com is usually an online PDF converter, but they feature also a JPEG to PNG converter. So here in the list of the available features and tools, simply scroll down till you get to that tool here, JPEG to PNG. So click on it, and on the next page, click on that button here to locate your file, your JPEG file on your computer or on your device. Wait for a moment for Soda to finish converting your JPEG into PNG file. And that's basically it. After a moment, you will be given access to a download link to download your PNG file on your computer. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.